The Texas Crutch is something where you take the food that you're cooking and you wrap it tightly in foil, and that helps prevent what's called the stall. So the stall is when you hit around typically 160 degrees Fahrenheit and the Boston butter, the brisket that you're working on, just stalls, and it stays at that temperature for what seems like forever. The Texas Crutch, wrapping that up, is what helps power through that. So you cook much faster, you get directly through the stall and can finish cooking. One of the issues with foil is that it's not permeable. And really what I mean by that is nothing is going through that barrier at all. So smoke is not going to get in, and steam and moisture and stuff like that from inside are not getting out. Peach paper is made with a very specific wet strength and a very specific amount of sizing added that allows it to be breathable. And so what that gives you is it lets some of the steam out. Some of that moisture and stuff is actually soaked up into the paper, so you get the benefits of the Texas Crutch, but you're going to preserve the bark because the food is not sitting in this puddle of moisture.